Hi! We are here in Quezon City, near San Juan and Manila, for our next featured house tour. My name is Richard, and I will be your property mate today. First, I'd like to talk about the strategic location of the property. This 20-unit townhouse project is just a few meters to EDSA, so you have easy access to business centers like Cubao, Ortigas, and even Makati and BGC. It's also near the Cubao train station. If you have kids, we're also within the proximity of well-known schools like Xavier and ICA. And if you need a place to shop or unwind, this property is also near Greenhills Shopping Center, Gateway Cubao, and Robinson's Magnolia. Since we're here, let me show you the garage. We have 2 car slots here, and you also have the option to install a car lift for your 2 sedans. Alright, I think we're ready to head inside. So as you enter the house, you are greeted with a nice living area. You can also install your TV set right over here. What I love about the house is everything you need is already on the ground floor. Right here, you have your dining, which you can easily fit 6 people. And right over here is your spacious kitchen. You will see that you have a very nice finish on the tops. You have granite. Moreover, you also have nice cabinets. You have soft close cabinets. And adjacent to this kitchen is the maid's quarter. Right here. With toilet and bath. Before we head upstairs, let me show you the powder room. Right over here. We have a well-lit powder room here. And by the way, one of the best features of the house is it is already a smart home. So, pwede mong kontrolin yung aircon on your way home so that when you come home, you will feel relaxed and more comfortable. Okay, let's head upstairs. So we're on the 2nd floor, and before I show you the bedrooms, let me show you the common bathroom. Here. In here is the master bedroom. But before that, let me show you bedroom number 1 here. And right over here is the 2nd bedroom where you can fit a nice queen size bed. What I love about this bedroom is it has good access to natural light. You have 2 large windows here and the balcony here. Now let's check out the best part of the house, which is the master bedroom. So you have a king size bed here. You can fit your lazy boy there. You have a study. As you can see, this bedroom is also well illuminated. You have large windows. And right here is the walk-in closet. You can see here you have a lot of closets and they're really spacious. You can fit your clothes here, your shoes. And finally, you have your bathroom here. It's a really spacious one. So let's have a quick recap. This townhouse project is located in Quezon City, near San Juan and New Manila. It is a 20-unit gated community with lot areas ranging from 105 to 149 square meters and floor areas ranging from 220 to 270 square meters. All units have 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with 2 to 3 parking spaces. On the ground floor, we have the living room, dining, kitchen, maid's quarter with bathroom, and powder room. On the second floor, we have our shared bathroom, bedrooms 1 and 2, and the master bedroom with a walk-in closet and master bathroom. This has been today's featured house tour, brought to you by PropertyM8, your trusted partner in real estate. So if you're looking for a house, send us a message and we'll be happy to assist you. See you!